Hello and a big paintbrush welcome to you on this learning how to paint with watercolours effortlessly, and it will be, trust me. I'm your tutor Nicola. The course has been going for over a year now. Got lots of students, loads of fabulous reviews, and once you get going into the course you'll see other people's works and comments to encourage you. If you have been painting with watercolours for a while, this probably isn't for you. But if you are a complete beginner and you don't know where to start, then, well, dive in and have some fun. Maybe when you were at school you were painting, you thought it was really exciting and a teacher said something not particularly helpful and that sort of stopped you in your tracks. Or perhaps you joined an evening class and looked at everybody else's work and thought, oh dear, I'll never be as good as that, and gave up. So if you're one of those people out there who's got a box of paints and brushes and paper sort of gathering dust in a corner, now is the time to blow off the dust and get started. You'll be surprised how easy and fun it's going to be. All you're going to do at the beginning is just simply make marks. You're just going to play with your paints. You remember that, play. You're just going to make marks on the paper, see how your paints work, see what your brushes can do. Just do some colouring in, but then gradually, as you gain a bit more confidence and you start to understand how your paints work and how they can play on the paper, you'll start producing recognisable objects. Believe me, you will. You'll be learning gradually about some colour mixing, about some shading, about making shapes, about using different effects, all sorts of super things, and you'll gradually produce a picture at the end of it. So I hope that will encourage you to dive in and take the course and have a lot of fun, because if it's not fun, there's really no point doing it, is there? I hope to see you with your paintbrush soon.